Hi there. It is actually very easy to go back and forth between Lightroom and Photoshop. So I thought I would just make a quick little video to show you how I do it. So normally I start with my images in Lightroom. That's how I organize everything, and I make my first basic edits. So I'll just kind of show you. If I wanted to take this image into Photoshop, so I've made some of my basic edits here in Lightroom, all I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the image. I'm going to click Edit in and Edit in Photoshop. And it should pull it up here. There we go. So now it's in Photoshop. So if you wanted to make any further adjustments, I'll just do something real quick here. We'll run portraiture just to give it an edit and show you what happens. Okay, so I just ran an action in Photoshop, and now I want to just take it back into Lightroom. So I'm just gonna hit Command S to save it, or else you can go to File, Save, and it'll start saving here. You can see it. And then once it's done with that, if I go back into Lightroom, there's my image, and it's given it an edit to name, and you can tell that it's been pulled into Photoshop because it has the PSD file extension after it. So it will save it as a separate file for you so that your raw image is also here as well. So I hope that helped.